Okay, so here's another top tip for you. A lot of you guys ask us about cleaning out downpipes. So first thing I say about a downpipe is always clean away from a downpipe, okay? Never clean towards a downpipe because you don't want to be pushing any rubbish into a downpipe. Now have a look at this. This is your standard tool that you use pretty well 80–90% of the time. And here's a downpipe tool. Look at the difference in length. That extra little bit's going to allow you to get deeper into a downpipe. So what I'm going to do, put the poles together. Now when I offer my SkyVac suction pole up to the downpipe, the one thing I'm not going to do is ram my pipe in because I don't want to push any potential blockage further down the downpipe. All I'm going to do, I'm going to offer it up gently and I'm going to get the initial amounts of dirt and rubbish to come down the tubes. I'll hear it coming down the tubes and then off into the vacuum unit. And then any blockage a bit further down, I'll listen to my motors. Once they start to pitch, I know I've got a big clump. Then I'll lift it up slowly, free of the gutter. And all being well, you know, like when you get a pot plant and you take a plant out of a pot plant, you get like that perfect plug. It ought to look like that with any sort of luck. But that's generally our top tip. Don't ram the pipe in. Put it in gently. Listen to it coming down the tubes. Wait for the motors to pitch. Lift the clump up carefully. Okay?